Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make melatonin gummies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1.5 cups of tart cherry juice, 1/4 cup of unflavored gelatin powder, and 3 tablespoons of raw honey or maple syrup. Most importantly, have 1 ounce of liquid melatonin ready. Also, prepare your silicone gummy molds, ideally with cavities around 0.7 by 0.5 inches for consistent sizing. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine the tart cherry juice, gelatin powder, and your chosen sweetener. Place it over low heat and gently whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Remove the saucepan from the heat and carefully stir in the liquid melatonin. Then, using a dropper, fill each cavity of your silicone molds with the warm liquid. Once your molds are filled, it's time to chill them. Place the silicone molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the gummies are completely firm. After they have set, gently pop each gummy out of its mold. To keep them fresh, store your homemade melatonin gummies in an airtight container. When refrigerated, these gummies should maintain their quality for up to 2 weeks, ready for when you need them. Before incorporating melatonin gummies into your routine, always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you are taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. It is recommended for adults to start with a low dose, such as 1 milligram, and gradually increase if necessary, but never exceed 10 milligrams per dose. Remember, melatonin is generally considered safe for short-term use, typically 1 to 2 months, as its long-term effects are not yet fully understood.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.